Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today is going to be another unboxing. If you watched my last video, I did do an unboxing of some men's outdoor brands through Helpsy source. And this is the second box that I bought through them. The box, the only thing, I have not looked at it yet. I did undo the tape. But again, like the last one, this is a very full and heavy bursting at the seams box. And there will be outdoor brands like in the last box. I had some Lululemon, some Carhartt, North Face. Mainly it was like Adidas, Under Armour, and Nike. But those are all still decent brands that sell okay. I was doing, when I do the video, and I'll do the same thing with this one, where I am taking some of the more basic, oversaturated items to my buy sell trade store to just try to get recoup some of the money faster, and then I will resell the things that are more valuable online. And so this box should have 40 items in it. I paid total 300 and something out the door for the 80 pieces, equaled out to be in the low $4 range per piece, which is not bad for pieces like this, I guess. Of course, going to the bins like I normally do is going to be a much better price point, and I get to pick everything myself, but it's an hour there, it's an hour back. It's several hours there digging, back-breaking work. My back has been really bothering me lately, so as much as I love going to the bins, I'm also trying to find some ways to, in between doing that I can also get some other inventory. And I don't know about you guys, but men's clothing is my favorite to sell. They are less picky, they don't return things as often, and they don't really negotiate on price as much as women do, in my opinion, in my experience. And so I do prefer to sell men's clothing. So we will go ahead and get started and just see what is in the box. Let's see, straight up on top here is a hoodie. It's an Under Armour men's size small. On the front it says Casey's RBC. So I don't know if that is, let's see, Annabella is a name on the back. So I don't know if I'll be able to sell that at all. And I know for sure I won't be able to take that to my buy sell trade store. So we'll see what goes on with that one. I don't know what I'll do with that one yet. This is a Converse. I did not get that brand last time. Let's see, does it say what size it is? Extra large pair of Converse men's pants. It looks like it's got some good cargo pockets, or some, yeah, I guess they're not really cargo pockets, it's just a really big front pocket. And then a couple back pockets, kind of got like a jogger bottom, sort of. So I'll do that one, sell that one myself. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, the North Face, size extra large, very nice flannel shirt. It's actually very, very soft. That's why I didn't even see the brand. I said nice because I could just feel this was nice. It's very soft. Might actually, because of how nice that is, I don't know if that'll fit my husband or not. It'll be close. If my husband will fit into it and he wants it, he can have it. If not, I will definitely sell that myself. This is an NHL Fanatics Pittsburgh Penguins shirt. Size, I don't know if I said, size extra large. I will definitely sell that myself. My local buy sell trade store will not take, I don't know if they even take team stuff, let alone team stuff from other cities. So, another Converse shirt. It says Converse on the sleeve, long sleeve, size extra large. That is nice. My last box had a ton of smalls and mediums, and so far most of this is bigger sizes, so that's good. This feels like a bigger size. Also, Under Armour hoodie, size 2XL. So that I will probably keep myself and sell. Definitely bigger sizes do better than smaller. This is an Under Armour men's tee. It says UA on the front. I don't know what that means. But it's got a little bit of a different design at the bottom down there. I may try that one at the Buy-Sell Trade store and just see. Again, if I take it there after like 2 or 3 times and they don't like buy it from me, then I will probably just try to sell it myself. Under Armour 2XL shirt, just a basic tee, so that will go to the Buy-Sell Trade. This is a North Face t-shirt, size extra extra large. So I got that in the front, and then the bigger thing in the back. So I'll probably sell that one myself. Okay, is this Lacoste? Yep, Lacoste Sport tee, sort of. It's not quite made out of t-shirt material. See, is that staining, like paint staining? Yes, it is. All right, I'll take this home, try to get those paint stains out. If I can't, I'll just sell it as is and let people know there's paint stains on the front. Some people don't mind that. My nose is getting itchy going through all these clothes. Okay, what is this? Giants established. New York Giants. Oh, okay, it is an NFL team apparel New York Giants t-shirt, so I will take that one. There was a lot more stuff in the other box. I went to the Buy-Sell Trade store than this one so far. Another 2XL Under Armour basic tee, so that will go to Buy-Sell Trade. Okay, what is this? Ah, okay. NHL. What team is that? I'm excited about that. You know, I don't even know what team that is. But it's NHL. It's like a very nylon-y material. It's almost sort of like a jersey, but not a jersey. So I would definitely sell that. That's cool. Especially since our state, I live in Utah, and our state got our first ever NHL team last year for hockey. And I used to live in Detroit, and so the Red Wings were my team. But since we moved from there 12 years ago, I haven't really watched much hockey. But then this year, our team got a hockey team, and so we've been really into watching NHL. We just watched the Stanley Cup playoffs this last week, even though we weren't in it, we'll still watch it. So this is Nike. Okay, this is a little different. So it's got the Nike swoosh right there on the front, and then it's got another Nike swoosh on the back, and then it's got something else. It's got this here. It says Nike APS, Nike Access Performance System, and it's almost sort of like a really weird camouflage on there. That's not stains. So yeah, I'll see how that does. That's a little bit a different Nike than a plain t-shirt, so I'll look that one up. Is this one another Lululemon? I'm pretty sure it is. Maybe. If it's not a Lululemon, then it doesn't have a tag or a brand anywhere. Seriously? Okay, well, I'll have to look into that because so far that doesn't have, it is just like a little button up, but yeah, I'm not seeing any tags inside of it for a brand. I'm not seeing any Lululemon symbol because the last one where I couldn't find the tag on the inside, it wasn't Lululemon. So let's see, we will look that up later, see if we can find a Lululemon symbol, and if not, we'll figure out what to do with it. Another Nike running dry fit I'll probably just take that to the buy-sell trade. This is an Adidas, the Go 2T, size large. Nice big spell on the front, so I will take that to my buy-sell trade. Oh, I'm getting hot. See, Adidas, size large, tall. And it's definitely a longer t-shirt. So I may try to sell that myself since it is a tall. Oh, so far, mainly shirts in here. Let's see, Fila Golf, long sleeve. I don't know how well Fila does anymore online. I don't ever pick it up, so I'll just take it to my buy-sell trade store for now. If it does good, let me know, and maybe I'll keep it, but for right now, it's just going there. This is, oh, okay. Puma, size US, 4XL. It's kind of like a muscle tee. So that one will go to the buy-sell trade, because with the stuff that Puma pulled earlier this year, I will not sell Puma anymore. Another Fila Golf. This one is a little nicer looking and has some different stuff on it, so I may try selling that one myself. Nike, size large, quarter zip hoodie. Let's see, is that a zipper? Oh, it's a big pocket in the front, so I will sell that one. All right, this is a sweater. Again, so far no tags that I can see. I don't think that Lululemon sells sweaters, do they? Yeah, it's really nice though. Definitely feels nice. Don't know. Oh, yep. Lululemon found it. So it's a nice Lululemon sweater. Feels very nice. So I will do that one myself. Let's see, this is this also Lululemon, because I don't see any tags on the inside yet. Yep. Pearman's Lululemon shorts, so I will sell those. This is a Nike, the Nike tee. It says Get Stops Princeton Women's Basketball. So I will sell that one myself, because my buy-sell trade will definitely not buy that. Let's see, this is a Nike dry fit, just a plain muscle tee. So again, I'll take that one to the buy-sell trade. Pair of Under Armour shorts, size medium. They say Tigers on the front, but that is not Detroit Tigers. So I don't know who that is. Oh, Princeton. Actually, it looks like it goes to those shorts, so that'll be like a set. Let's see, this is Adidas Climate Control white. Yeah. I'll try it at the buy-sell trade store. If not, I probably won't sell it. There is some pilling a little bit, or some pulling at the bottom, and maybe a little bit of dinginess, so we'll see. If they probably won't take it. If they don't, I probably won't sell that one. This is another Nike muscle tee, size large. That will go to the buy-sell trade. Nike, size large shorts. probably take those myself. Under Armour, size medium, new tag, retail price $110 for these pants. So those I will definitely sell myself. This looks like it's an Adidas. Adidas size medium, US, just a pair of pants. I will probably, yeah, I will take those to my buy-sell trade. Like a dress shirt. Where is this? Oh, Columbia Omnisource extra large. Is that 2X or is that 3X? That's 2XL. Just like a button-up, like fishing outdoor shirts. I don't know. Oh, there's definitely something there. So I might just sell that one myself and list the flaw, because I don't think they'll take one. Too much flaw. Under Armour, size small. So that one I will probably just take to my buy-sell trade store. Another basic tee. What brand? Under Armour, size small. This basic tee will go to the buy-sell trade. This is a hoodie. It's a Nike. Size extra large hoodie with a little bit of different design on the sleeves and on the hood. So I will sell that myself. And Champion pair of sweatpants. I will probably take that to the buy-sell trade and try it, and if I don't take it, sell it myself. Nike extra large pair of like swim trunks. They got the mesh inside, so I will just sell those. And there's a really big swoosh on the side, so I will sell those. Another pair of Champion sweatpants. What size are these? That's an extra large. What size were these? Oh, that's just a large. Okay. I say if they were the same, I could possibly lot them up and make it worth it. But I will probably take these to the buy-sell, both of them to the buy-sell trade store. And then the last item is another one of those shirts. The Get Stops Princeton women's basketball team. So I will take probably all three of those pieces, the pair of shorts and the two shirts, and just do one big lot with the three of them and see how that does. So that is everything, guys. So again, I think the first box was probably a little bit better with the jerseys and some of the other things, but this one had more Lululemon, which men's Lululemon definitely does do better than women's nowadays. So yeah, I think it was a pretty good box. I think they both are pretty good boxes. I guarantee you I make my money back on them. And so yeah, I'm very happy. If you guys want to leave the in the comments below, if you guys like Helpsy Source, if you've purchased from them before, if you've had a good or bad experience, I'd like to hear from different people on this company. This is like the second or third time I've purchased from them. So I think I used to buy from them also when they were Cozy Threads way back in the day. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I will probably start listing tomorrow, because tonight my daughter is having a birthday party at the house with a sleepover. So I will definitely start listing this as soon as I can. And if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, subscribe. If these boxes do fairly well and I can get some more sale prices, I will probably buy some more boxes from them and unbox them. Here's coming up. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more boxes from Helpsy Source. And hopefully you guys have a great week and are making some great sales. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.